Okay, around January, end of January, I found the other copy of Halloween. I'll do a separate video on this. This was the first one that I had, so I could replace this one. Just look at the print job. It's original movie. So it's very hard to find Halloween locally. So, but I found one around Christmas time. So let's see the difference. There is a difference. So there is a difference. I don't have that many copies left. I threw a lot out. I'm surprised how many those doubles I had. Now I can pretty much add what I need to for movies. Mostly will be online, I think, but I'm not sure how many Star Wars figures I'm going to get. So I'll see how things go with Star Wars. So I don't know if I'll get into the ships or not. I want to get at least a couple ships and see what happens after that. If I'll go into movies or probably games. So, spring and summer will be, I think, mostly for Star Wars, because ships are going to be very expensive. And I don't know, movies are on hold, so I'll get rid of this one probably. That was a really bad print job. And I got like a stack of doubles left still over there. Not as bad as before. I had twice as many before, so I got rid of a lot of them. Now I know what I need to add to my collection, so I'm glad I kind of went through everything. So, yeah. Fortunately, I don't have that many Halloween. I might have like 3 or 4 of them now. And there's a lot that I'm missing, but I'm going to see what's going to happen with the Star Wars toys, because they're pretty expensive as well. They go around 30, 40 bucks, 50 bucks. And there's not going to be much room left for anything else if I need to get a bunch of figures into my collection going. That's what I'm going to do. Well, I'm not getting into statues and stuff like that. The taller statues, they're too expensive. Maybe in another year. So thanks for watching. Unboxing Halloween. This one's Resurrection Replacement. First replacement I bought. So it's kind of a buying double, but I'm replacing it. So I haven't even watched it, but I want to have a nice edges in my collection. Sometimes I just buy it because it's like 2 bucks, 3 bucks. Buy what I can, but I don't like buying in bulk unless if I have to. Thanks for watching. Like sometimes with games I might buy in bulk, not too often. But with movies I don't want to buy in bulk because I'd rather add what I need. And most of them that I need now are online. I cannot find them locally.